Finally, my Samsung Galaxy A14 LCD has been replaced to a new one, and it's not original, of course. The seller claimed it's original, but it is not original at all. This is a cheap quality, but as long as the phone can use, I'm okay with it. So here's the A14, all good, except there's an issue. There's something stuck inside here, so when I apply a new screen, and the thing is pushing the screen and just a little bit, and as you can see, it's cracked. How bad is the quality? But it's okay. It's just a temporary until I bought a new original LCD with frame. Yep, so let's turn on. So the phone already been turned on. So let's see the quality of the display. So here it is. Which is not bad, I can say, but it's not good as original one. On the side, look at that, blue purplish. The touch are good, very responsive, no delay. The color are not so good. The bright also not so bright, even on the maximum, but it's okay. I bought this about 35 ringgit, if I'm not mistaken. The original price is 45. Yep. So I got 10 ringgit off promotion. The seller claimed it's original, but it's not actually. Look at that. Not bad. And if I enable double tap to wake, the phone wake with very delay and very takt times, but without turning on that, it responds fast. But with enable, press or double tap, it delays so much. I'm not sure why after replace the screen, but when I retry on the first screen, the cracked one, it responds well, but this one doesn't respond well. It takes times and delay. I'm not sure why. So I disable that. But so far, so good. So here's my A14. My next project is to replace a screen with frame, the original screen I want. The back one still good. A lot of scratch, but I don't mind it. On the side, a lot of scratch too. No dented. Beautiful. This is A14 5F, but exynos model. So for the screen, you need to buy A14 6B version. It fits on this A14 5F exynos model. Yep. So before I end this video, you can give a feedback for this my Samsung Galaxy A14. Just replace a new screen in the comment below. And so that's all for me. Thank you very much and see you on next video. Goodbye and have a nice day.